We are in business now. Had to change my battery. My battery was dead on the wake up. That wasn't good. But anyway, now we got some official B-Lo Nation ain't in my business going on right now, man. Some official B-Lo Nation ain't in my business right now. Y'all see what's going on. I got the little kid in the back. I got the big little kid in the front.
The birthday girl.
And today is her birthday.
It's my birthday.
Man, I officially have your boy B-Lo, Big B-Lo Nation, Mr. Ain't It, man, officially has a teenager.
Dun, dun, dun.
Bruh,
How you feel?
how you feel?
Oh, I feel like.
How you feel? How do you feel about putting everybody's life in danger at this point?
What? How am I putting everybody in danger?
Everybody's life is in danger right now.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Matter of fact,
She didn't even know. I don't even know that.
I need to go back home because
I didn't know that.
I left my blicky with the sticky on. So now I gotta go back and get my blicky with the sticky. But she has officially put everybody's life in danger. Everybody.
Dun, dun, dun.
Your little bitty homegirls. Your little bitty homegirls. They got little bitty dude friends. Your little so-called dude friends. The basketball players. The football players. Everybody's life in danger. Hey, if you're watching this and your son know my daughter, it is what it is. I catch him. Letting y'all know off the muscle what it is. And I got a gang
Oh God.
behind me
Oh.
that's gonna deal with the business accordingly if they know I'm in some business.
I'm definitely gonna be around.
So, that being said,
It has been said.
keep your sons in the house, man.
Wow.
When she outside, keep your sons in the house. Cause if he gets anywhere near
Oh.
my BB,
It's gonna be some problems.
it's already a problem. Cause I'm telling you now, it's already a problem. So, that being said, today is my baby's birthday, January 5th, 2021.
22.
22. I'm still in 2021. I'm tripping.
Wow.
January 5th, 2022. My baby is 13 years old.
She's been 13. I've been living for 13 years.
She's been living for 13 years, and I want to live for 13 more with no boys. So guess what?
Until she's dirty. I mean,
Your son
30.
come around my daughter. I'm doing him like Ice Cube did Debo on Friday.
Not like deep.
Or I'm gonna do him like Debo did Red about that bike.
Oh. I'm gonna take the bite.
It's my bike pump.
Oh.
But anyway, on a much smoother note, now that we've got that out of the way, so we about to go and see what kind of pickup.
Yeah. Spend some money, Daddy. You're probably gonna be broke.
Nah,
By the end of the
we
day.
finna go and fill out some applications.
Applications
Yeah,
for
you to get a job
wow.
and get your own money.
No.
She's only 13.
I don't care if she was 10. Keep it up, you gonna get a job too. It is some people over here raking leaves right across the street, so y'all could help them get a couple dollars. right bike.
Right by.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, man. So back to what I was saying. Get my blicky with the sticky. But man, we
see
about
you
to.
put the sun back.
Oh, I can't see me. I see me.
Oh, a little bit now.
Also, yeah, man. Hey, man, it's official, man. We is for real, man. Officially, man. Now shooting in 4K, man. Shooting in 4K, man. You know what I'm saying, man. So I wonder, can y'all see the difference in the footage, man? If y'all can, man, leave a comment down below there. You know what I'm saying? Let me know. Let me know if the footage looks better, if it looks different. Let me know if it looks worse. I don't know. I don't know. I can't really tell because I'm shooting on camera. Yeah, man, we're about to shoot out here to the mall, I guess, man, and see what we can muster up. See what we can grab for BB, man. My teenager that has put everybody's life in danger. Yep. I ain't calling the police. Just letting y'all know now. Keep your son away from my sunshine. Or it's gonna be hell to pay. Shoot out to this mall. And I hit y'all when we get out here, man. I was gonna take y'all to Starbucks, but your mama already took me to Starbucks, right?
This morning?
Yeah, y'all went to Starbucks this morning. Y'all probably got a boo-boo, don't you?
No.
Y'all got a boo-boo!
No.
Which one y'all got a boo-boo?
Jordan.
Jordan got boo-boo? No? Sure?
I did.
Jordan got a boo-boo. Well, so I ain't gotta take him to Starbucks. So now we finna go down here and tear the mall down for one item.
Tear it down.
Get y'all in a minute. I don't think that's the one with the gold wing doors. I don't think it may be. I don't think it is though. Nah, that's not it. That's the car.
Yeah, it's just
Jumping jelly beans.
jumping jelly beans. What even is that?
What even is that? I don't know. But if you tell me how you pronounce that sentence.
Oh.
I found jumping jelly beans on the floor. Not that kind of thing.
Let me
She said
see.
she found jumping jelly beans.
What's this up here?
I remember they used to have a fountain.
What do you mean?
Martial arts.
What's that?
Martial arts.
Martial arts.
They got
I wish we can like go.
City Gear. They got
I wish we can like go
H&M.
go to the place like where you make your own ice cream.
That's Menchie's.
Cheese.
This is a frozen yogurt place.
They got Finish Line. Journeys still over. They got Journeys.
They do.
So you want to go in a shoe store?
Shoe store.
Or you want to go in the clothes store?
Shoe store.
In a shoe store. So we gonna hit these two joints right here first. Journeys. Nope, Journeys closed. Huh? Is it? No, it ain't closed. We're gonna hit Journeys. Then we're gonna hit Finish Line. Then we're gonna walk across the street. We're gonna walk across the street, Jack.
Not the street.
We're gonna walk across the street over there to City Girl. If we don't find nothing up in there in one of these joints.
You gonna cross the street? No, it's when somebody say we gonna cross the street. No, I'm gonna say no. It's not like that. It's street. It's you pronounce it like street.
No, first of all,
Yeah,
you're
I
not
see
even
what I be
saying it
dealing
right.
with. Like,
It sounds like you're saying street.
Street.
No, it's street. Street.
Street.
Well, it's not actually street, but
What?
my phone looking pretty good, so I can leave this in the car.
Hi, people.
What? You said what? You said what? You said you funny looking.
No.
I thought that's what you said.
No.
I mean, nah, that's
Because I don't want you to take me back home.
I'm finna get out this car, man. I'm finna take these folks in Legoland.
Legoland.
Yay!
And she gonna buy one Lego.
Bricks and minifigs.
And that's it.
Wait, we're like.
Oh, this is really Lego. I thought it was. Well, I don't think it's called a Legoland then.
I think it's already a Legoland.
Yeah, I want to go in there. I want to go in here after this.
So we ain't see nothing in the finish line. But man, the guy done tripped, man. The guy done tripped, man. He was in there with his kids or whatnot. So yeah, man, that was a good little, I ain't gonna say a good little look, whatever, you know what I'm saying? But I just slick met done trip. I ain't put him on camera. Well, I ain't talked to him on camera or nothing, but you know what I'm saying? Just met done trip, so that was cool. I ain't finna go in here. I ain't. Hopefully I ain't got that copyright on in here. Nah, we just looking. Yeah, it's a birthday, yeah. Okay, bet. I appreciate that. That's too big.
That's all right. Well, once I tie it up, it'll be tight.
Going down? Alright, y'all seen the little pickup, man. We got a little pickup from Journeys.
Got a pickup from Journeys.
Now we finna shoot on over to this city gear, man. See what they got in here. Might have a little something in here or something. Might have a little something. See what they talking about. Had a little change, man, so see what they talking about in this junk one time. Oh boy. Man, it's slick cold out here. Slick.
It wasn't as cold when we got out the car.
Yeah, it's because we've been out here in it. We was in the heat in the car.
Oh. Yeah.
There's a speaker over here somewhere. I hear it, but I don't see it. Come on, girl. Uh-oh.